So just having a little play around with it from an electronic point of view. I've got the oscilloscope connected across the MOSFET, which is across, it's quite dark down there, okay, and that's the square wave across the MOSFET. If I alter the speed, it'll alter the duty cycle. So maximum speed will be maximum duty cycle. So that basically means that the MOSFET is bottomed out for most of the time, and then if you slow it down, the MOSFET will, oops, adjust the trigger. That'd be awful if that really was that bad. There we go. Whoa. Let's try that again. Smooth the time base down a bit. Just a bit noisy because it's not properly smooth. There we go, so that's slow speed. So on my little drawer in here, that waveform is across Q1, that's on the drain, which is the top pin, and that's the waveform on there. So that's square waves produced by this oscillator here. Boom.